Welcome to another episode of Tech Insights, where we dive deep into innovative tools changing the landscape of technology and development. Today, we're exploring an intriguing visualization tool known as Gource. So, whether you're a seasoned developer or just someone curious about how source control repositories work, this episode has something for you. Let's start with the basics. Gource is a visualization tool for source control repositories. Imagine this. Instead of sifting through lines of code or logs, you get to watch a beautiful dynamic tree that represents your repository. At the center is the root of your project, with branches representing directories and leaves showing the actual files. But here's the fascinating part. Contributors to the project appear and disappear on this visualization as they add, modify, or delete files. It's like watching a living, breathing representation of your project's development. Now, why is visualization important in software development? Well, for one, it allows teams to see the contributions of individuals and the evolution of the project over time. It can highlight patterns and behaviors that might otherwise go unnoticed. Plus, it's visually engaging. Who doesn't love a good visual? All right, let's talk about some of Gource's features. Running Gource requires OpenGL, and it demands a 3D accelerated video card. So if you want to bring your code to life, make sure your system is up to snuff. And if you're concerned about settings, hey, Gource has plenty of options. You can adjust the viewport size, toggle full screen mode, and even modify how long elements remain on screen. Did you know that you could customize the camera? Gource allows your camera to follow a specific user or track activity. Imagine zooming in on how a particular developer is affecting the project. Talk about insightful. Let's not skip over the fact that Gource can process other version control systems too, not just Git or SVN. There's flexibility in how you can generate logs, which is a real treasure for teams using various platforms. So whether you're in a small startup or a big enterprise, Gource can cater to your needs. Now I can hear you asking, what if I want to record these exciting visualizations? Good question. Gource makes it possible to record videos of your sessions. This could be super beneficial for presentations or just to create fun visual content for sharing with your team. To wrap this conversation up, let's think about how we can integrate Gource into our daily workflows. By visualizing contributions over time, gaining insights into collaboration, and appealing to the aesthetic sense of coding, Gource isn't just another tool. It's a whole new way to perceive and appreciate the development process. I'm curious, how do you feel about using visualization tools in your projects? Have you ever used anything similar? Thanks for joining me on this adventure through Gource. Until next time, keep exploring and visualizing those lines of code.